Hi. Hi guys. Mommy's life in Z.
Just figuring the loop.
Yeah.
What I think of that plane. Good things fall down.
They didn't fall down, Blakey. He jumped down. He's trying to attack Frodo from below. Only Frodo's got the high ground. You can't win against high ground.
Can't say that yet.
Yeah. Look at that face. I am off to Celine's school. Only I have to walk. Eugene's got the car because he's got to go to his new work and sort out a few last minute things. Paperwork that has to be signed and what have you. Having a few feel like screaming moments over emails because the boss is still being a prick. I'm sorry, that's the closest I can do. A prick. About stuff. He's trying to claim things that Eugene's had for years, even though they're not even on the receipt. You know, so we're having to find our own receipts and everything else, and it's a total nightmare. It really is. It's a total nightmare. But you know, one step at a time, right? That's all I can do. Well, that was fun. Caught up with a few of my mummy friends from school, and well, by mummy friends I mean friends that I've made as a mum. With Celine being at school, and met a few other new people, so you know, not a bad morning tea. Had lots of food and a Christmas tree up. I didn't record any of it though, because obviously I would have been impinging on someone else's privacy doing that. But it was nice. Good time out. On my way home now. Everyone's around on that side, Mum. There.
Right.
You'll be wanting the thick ones.
Yeah, the wide.
Well, that would be Celine. That one or that one.
Which do you think? I think it better be the pink.
And red for Blake or the goldy orange?
Which one does he prefer? Gold or red?
What have you got mostly on the thingy? You've got mostly reds and blues, don't you? So
Yeah.
maybe the red one.
Okay. I was thinking that one for Danny.
Yeah.
What do you think? Or that one?
That one, I think.
Okay.
Green.
Is there anything else you want?
No, I don't know. That's that place, wasn't it? Excuse me. Ooh, the things I could make. Mind you, I've got a whole pile of things that I already need to...
Yeah, Tom's tank engine.
What about the roses? What kind of fabric's that?
Curtain too, I think.
That's it?
Thermal.
Thermal, so it's definitely a curtain or a blanket.
But I mean, look
Dora,
at this
cars, yeah. Blake needs some decent curtains. Another time.
Yeah.
Spider-Man, oh look at this one.
Spider-Man.
Oh.
These not wrapped in Spider-Man.
No. I wasn't looking at the spiders, I was looking at the cars next to
the
it.
car one.
Sound asleep.
Why aren't you asleep yet?
Frodo's on the blanket playing with my feet.
Is Frodo playing with your feet, is he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, right there. He's right there.
He's right there. Yeah, they like being under the blanket. But you need to lie down and go to sleep yourself. Hmm.
Frodo, he won't move.
No. It's Caesar. Don't worry, Frodo will come and join Caesar in it soon enough.
I know, Frodo.
Yeah, so it's still awake.
Thanks for watching!
Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye!